Here we have another edition of Walking with Dogs. The Fridays. Yeah, I'm in the park already. There's the marina over there. There's the entrance to the park. There, it is one of the dams that makes the lake. That big mound right there is actually a man-made mound. And that's one of the 6 mounds that they put at specific points to make the lake. And one of the dogs just got to go to the bathroom. So I figured I'd take a walk. That trail that's right ahead of us goes right along the water line. I'm gonna go right here, huh? Of course, I forgot my GoPro, and instead of listening to me breathe heavy, I'm gonna put the camera off to the side, which will still hear me breathe heavy. And actually, this park closed for Labor Day. They took out the dumpster, but they left the 2 porta potties. Come on. Last one to the water is a rotten egg, or a crazy dog, or a crazy dog and rotten egg, or both. Yeah, who's happy? Are you happy, dog? Who's happy, dog? Ah, tangled. No tripping the fat guy. Come on. There's deer down here too. And there's the lake. Ooh, someone left the trampoline out there. I wonder if we could swim out to it and jump up and down on it. Would you like that, dogs? Huh? Go in the water? You don't want to go in the water? Come. James does not like going in the water. Lula loves going in the water. All right. All this humidity and heat. Oh, Jesus, froze. Oh, of course we're tangled. James, you're not supposed to walk around that way. You got to go this way. Up, this way. Go. In the water. There goes one in the water. This one just drinks the water. Won't touch it. Who's a happy dog? Who's a happy dog looking at all the rich people's boats? Well, actually, I got a boat that's very expensive too, but... No, you don't want to go in the water, James? It's just itching down. Oh, God forbid I get wet. Oh, you'll melt. All right, let's go this way. No, this way. Up. They're all soaking wet. Come on. Up. Come on. Off to the right. Come on. Off to the right. Yeah. Tangled again. Okay, let's go. Someone just left their grill. I got the same grill in my backyard. They're cute little grills. There's a dock. I wonder if I can get the dogs to go on the dock. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. They won't budge. Come on. Come on, Luna. Show them the way. Come on. Come on, Luna. There you go. Come on, Luna. Come on, James. Come on, boy. Come on, little doggy. Come on, little doggy. No, this one's sitting on it. All right, let's go. All right. What was that? You don't like going in the water, do you? We could do a dog therapy session if you like. You can explain to me why you have a fear of water. Oh, look at that. There's a crane on the edge of that rock. And I can't zoom it in. And right on the edge. Yep. Wow. Well, so we got to turn around because I got to go back and I got to be in a meeting at 6:45. Oops. Ducks. You hear the ducks? It's ducks and seagulls. Come on. Come on, James. Come on, little buddy. I'm not taking you back to the water. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah? What's that? You smell something. Got your ears perked up. Huh? Huh? Now, I live 220 feet vertical. You see the earth dam here, how they had to block it off. Kind of overkilled it, but you know, that's what you got to do to make sure you don't have a flood. This actually used to be a boat ramp right here, and that was a parking lot. And this whole thing wasn't there when they built the lake, and they said, oh, instead of damming off the lake here, we'll build a boat ramp. And then they said, no, can't do that. Not enough room, plus boats are getting a hell of a lot bigger. Oh, get along, little doggies, get along, get along. Get along, little doggies, get along. Want me to sing to you? All right. I don't think anybody watches these videos anyways, but I'll sing. Camptown racers sing this song, doo-dah, doo-dah. Camptown racers 5 miles long, oh, doo-dah day. Gonna run all night, gonna run all day. I bet my money on the bucktail day, someone bet on the hay. Or I could sing the Green Acres song. We used to sing that in college when we watched the Green Acres show instead of going to class. Green Acres is the place to be. Farm living is a life for me. Land spreading out so far and wide. Keep Manhattan, just give me that countryside. New York is where I'd rather stay. I get allergic smelling hay. I just adore that penthouse view. Darn, I love it, but give me a Fifth Avenue or Park Avenue. Oh, bad people are gonna think I'm nuts, but I am nuts. That's part of being single all these years. You know, your mind gets packed up from lack of stimulation from a woman. All right, I gotta go uphill, and then I don't want to have you guys hear me breathing heavy again. So I'll end this now. Have a good day.